Howdy folks, Vector Potential here with Cybervoid's Challenge Lock number 3. There it goes. Alright. There's some excellent pin work in this lock. Let's take a look at it. Where is my screwdriver? Right here. There's the bedding. This. And I should have a shim. There's my shim. Shimmy shim. Always use a shim, especially with other people's challenge locks, because you don't know what's inside. Right. Lockpicking engineer sent me this one. So I'm glad we were able to get it open today. Alright. So let me go over to my focus. There we go. You can see we have 4 chambers that are threaded. Just dump these out real quick. Two. Come on. 3, 4. 5, 6. Let's take a look at these key pins real quick. There you go. Alright, now let's get some of the drivers out. We'll start here at the front. Get those shim out. Do the front 3, then we'll do the back 3. Now let's look in the spool there. very thin and sharp spool. There on number 2. Okay. All right, you got kind of like a piston pin right here. The part flops around. Come on. There we go. All right, back to the other side. It's like an upside down T-pin here, just holding on to the spring. And this is just very well serrated. And another kind of serrated piston pin kind of looking thing. Now, if you've seen Loose and Lockpicking Engineer's cutting of this, there's a mystery in here. So we're going to go ahead and get those out. Pretty sure they belong there in the top of number 6, because when I first picked this, it surprised me. They just kind of popped out of there when I was on there. I watched Loose's and Lockpicking Engineer's video. They all kind of had the same surprise. So we'll set that over there. And if we can look in here, you can see threading in number 1, number 3, number 5, looks like 4 too. We could take this top cover off, but I'm not going to do that for you guys. Once again, this is Cyber Voids, challenge like number 3. Thank you all. You have a good day.